So today we are going to discuss about the one of the very important topic in the desulfurization or the sweetening process, that is the ethanolamine process. So let us take the reaction of the ethanolamine process. So we are discussing about the reactions of the monoethanolamines, diethanolamines and the triethanolamines. So what are the steps? These are the steps for the ethanolamine reaction. So in this one, the first reaction with the H2S, that is the formation of bisulfide of the ethanolamine on the reaction with H2S. So with the reaction with H2S, this is the reaction where the bisulfides are formed plus the heat is also formed with the reaction of ethanolamine. And if we are discussing about the CO2 for methanolamine and diethanolamine, for the both CO2, when the CO2 is reacted, the carbonate salt of the ethanolamine is formed. Triethylene amines does not have this reaction with the CO2. So this is a reaction with the CO2 where the carbonate salt of the ethanolamines are formed. In the aqueous solution with CO2, the carbonate salt of the ethanolamine is formed, and this is a slow reaction, and in this way the reaction is formed with the CO2, especially when the water is also present. So these are the basic reactions for the ethanolamines. And now come to the process. Process is very simple because it is a simple absorption process. So we have to follow all the basic steps of the absorption. So this is a simple process flow diagram. This is a feed, that is a sour gases. So we have to pass through this feed through the inlet scrubber, remove the particles, and then it is sent into the absorber, that is a contactant, where the liquid, that is the amines, are coming from the top and the gases are coming from the bottom. So there is a counter current interaction between the gas and the solution, liquid solution, that is amine solution, and then there is a absorption of the acid gases with the help of the amines, and this is a natural gas, that is a sweet natural gas going outside, and there are outlet scrubber also, we can get the sweet gas. So this cycle, in fact, this cycle is representing the natural gas process, and the remaining cycle is representing the recovery and regeneration of the amine solution. So what is going on for the amine solution? So after absorbing the H2S, it is now called as a rich amines. It is first sent into the flash tank where there are chances of the light hydrocarbons absorbed by the amines, then that can be flashed out, and then we have to go for the carbon filter where some other materials and the solid materials can be filtered out, and then we have to send it to the, that is a rich amines, into the stripper or still. So in this one we have to use the steam for high temperature so that the stripping action can be taken place here. And at the top of the column, when the material is refluxed and you have to condense it out, then the acid gas will be removed from the top, and the bottom section where the rich amines is now converted into the lean amine. It is taken out, cooled it. After cooling, we have to pump, and then again further cooling, and then charge to the amine tower. So this is the cycle of the amines, the regeneration cycle. So this is a typical simple absorption process of the ethanolamine using for the desulfurization or the sweetening of the natural gas. This is about the explanation that we have discussed. These are the process description of all these steps that we have discussed till now. So okay, thank you very much.